Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll guide you through setting up a secure connection using the V2Ray GG app with a SOCKS Proxy Server. This simple setup will help you enhance your online privacy and enjoy safer browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for V2Ray GG. Select the official app, download, and install it on your device. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. To configure the app, you'll need a SOCKS Proxy Server. Open Chrome or any reliable browser and search for UDP Custom. Tap the link that takes you to the official UDP Custom website. On the website, tap the menu button, then choose the SOCKS Proxy Servers option. You'll see a list of servers at different locations. Pick any server that suits your needs. Note down the IP address and port number of the server you selected. Return to the V2Ray GG app and tap the plus button to add a new configuration. Choose the option to type manually and select SOCKS. Carefully enter the IP address and port number you noted earlier into their respective fields. Give your server a custom name for easy reference, then tap the check mark to save your configuration. Finally, tap the server you just created and press the play button to start your secure connection. And that's it. You're now connected with V2Ray GG using a SOCKS Proxy Server for enhanced privacy and security. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.